This is for a air intake filter change on a 2015 BMW X5 35 diesel with 116,000 miles on it. Start by removing the plastic cover over the engine and set it off to the side. Next, you're going to want to release the clips holding the air filter housing together. There are only two clips, one on each side. The one in the back is difficult to get to. I use a 90-degree screwdriver to get to it. Once you've got the clips removed, then the filter will come away pretty easily. Compare the old filter. This one's very dirty. I don't know how many miles it has between changes, but I would recommend changing this every other oil change. Compare it to the new filter, which is much cleaner and should flow air much easier. These filters are available online from multiple sources. I got mine from Amazon. Insert the new filter into the housing. Once it's seated in place, bring up the outer plastic assembly up to the filter. Found it helpful to kind of shake the filter housing assembly around it, let it nest in place correctly, and snap the two clips into place. Make sure everything is seated correctly and reinstall the engine cover. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.